In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID without losing your data. That is quite simple and easy process, so let's begin. And first open up your settings, and there at the top you see your name. Just hit on that and then hit on iCloud and then on iCloud Backup. There, make sure that iCloud Backup option is turned on, and there at the bottom it said that last successful backup was at that specific date. So now make sure that this backup was made recently. You can use backup now function to do all backup of all the device data right now. After that, you need to open up your browser. I will use Safari browser and go to appleid.apple.com. Once you are on that site, you can use your Face ID to sign in that site, and after you signed it, hit on Apple ID, and there you are able to enter new Apple ID for your current Apple ID. So make sure that you use another email that is not associated with another Apple ID, and after that you will receive notification code on that email and you will be able to enter that code on the next step. And when you changed the email on your Apple ID, you can go to settings, go to your Apple ID, and there at the bottom you can resign using your new email and password. And if this is gray, sign out if is gray and you can't hit on that, you need to do the following. You need to go back for a step and make sure that you disable screen time, because if your screen time is on, you can't sign out of your Apple ID. So first scroll down to the bottom and turn off screen time function, and after that you can change your Apple ID. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.